Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to share with you a Happy Mail swap that I did with Beck. Last week I showed you guys the package that I sent to her, and today this is what I received from her, so I'm going to be showing you. I've just opened up the box so you can't see any addresses, and this is all I've opened to. I'm going to read the card because I always love to start with the card. How nice is that? It's just like a postcard. It's really cute. Okay, so let's have a look. This tissue paper is really nice. Oh, she's used marigold. Oh, okay. All right, I'm going to grab everything out and then we'll have a look at things more closer. Oh, so pretty. Oh. Okay, sorry for random noises. Oh, no, it's getting stuck. Oh, that's heavy. Okay. Oh, she's got pom-poms in there. Oh, how cute. Okay. Okay, so here's everything that she sent. I know it's a bit hard to see in the frame. I'm going to start with this one here. She's made one of those, oh, what are they? They're like the layered bookshelves. So here it is, and I'll open one at a time. Here's just a nice close-up for you. I really love that butterfly as well. It's so cute. I didn't realize these were so small. I've seen heaps of people make them, but I didn't know they were this small. Okay, so I can see it's a little Velcro. How nice is that? D is for dear. And then she's gifted me some washi. Really nice. And then 2 containers of glitter. Very pretty. Thank you. I'll put those to good use. Okay, and then the next one. Some beautiful flowers. I can see that she's taped the edges of this. Is that because it's like fraying? I don't know. But how gorgeous are these? This one's like frosted on the side. So pretty. Oh, those are really nice colours too. Okay, and then lucky last. She's gifted me some trims. Okay. So she's gifted me this pom-pom trim, which is so pretty. I have this in like white and pink already, but yellow is really nice. And then this trim here, which has got all these hearts on it. They look like the shine hearts. And then this ruffle trim. This is really nice. I really like this. This would be cool, like a word on it. And then this one, which is like a nice, it's not glitter, it's more like, I'm not sure how to describe it, but it's really textured. I really like that. And then this really delicate floral. And then these 2 decorated pom-poms. And then these 2 ones. These are just little pegs that she's decorated. Very cute. Just going to move that off to the side. Okay, and then next we're going to do the really heavy one. Just feeling it. It feels like, I don't know, a paper pad maybe. And she's also got this trim, so I can just reuse this now. And then the confetti that was kind of stuck. I will reuse that confetti. I really like this paper too. It's really pretty. I was right, it is a paper pad. So it's the Prima surfboard collection. I'm just going to open it up on the side. This is like a really cool summery one. Oh, it's opened up on that side already. Oh, it's already opened. So, oh, they're really thick and they're double-sided. This is really cool. I've never even seen this collection before. I don't really keep up to date with all the, like, American-y, not American, but, you know, the other collections that's not like crepe paper. And then she's also gifted me the journaling cards. These would be really nice for Project Life. So they're really cute. I love this. I haven't seen this before. That was really nice. Thank you. I really like this. Gifted me this spray. And it says it's, oh my gosh, I can't even get it open. Bright Crystal. And this is what it looks like. It's 35 mils. So let's have a smell. Ooh, that would be cool to spray like just lightly in your Happy Mail, I think. So thank you. I might try and do that. Next, open up this package. I really like just how you've laid up the front. It's got all of this stuff stuck to it, but it's okay. And like, I'm gonna reuse this, so I will actually just pull this off like this, and I will reuse the whole thing. So thank you. And try and get it out. Oh wow. She's gifted me the ephemera pack of the surfboard collection. Here's a bit of a close up for you what it looks like. Oh, this is so pretty. And then she's also gifted me the wooden embellishments. They're so nice. Look at those. So she's gifted me like a whole collection almost. And then the chipboard, and it's double-sided. Oh, this is so pretty. I didn't even know they did this. This is so nice. I can make so many different things with this. That would be so cool as like a charm, just a big chunky charm. This is really awesome. Thank you. Sorry if I don't sound the healthiest. I'm a little bit, I'm not sick, but I'm just losing my voice slowly. I'm a teacher, and so having, you know, strained my voice. This is a gorgeous tassel. Did you make this? Because I know that people have been making them where they just use their trims. That's really cool. I like that. And then this one, that must be the little charms that come with Heritage. But this is so pretty. I'm going to reuse that, so that'll just come straight off. And then she's made me this. This is like an expanding folder. So let's open it up. She's stitched too. I didn't even see the stitching. So pretty. You see, stitching just adds that little detail, I find. Okay, I'm just going to grab things out one at a time. Oh yes, she's gifted me some rosettes. Oh, they're so nice, and they're so simple, which is really pretty. I love the papers that you chose as well. They look gorgeous. I did feel another one in here, and oh, that vellum one, that is gorgeous. I want the vellum one. Is this a die, or is it, like, it has to be a die, because I don't know how you'd be able to do that so detailed by hand, but is it a cut file, or is it a die? I don't know. Whatever it is, let me know. I want to know. And then next, ooh, these are like those pocket letters that people make, kind of like the library cards. Yeah, it is. And look, it comes out, I think. Yeah, it does. Oh wow, that's so nice. Oh, I love this. This would be really cool as well, just to chuck on like your packaging. And just, you know, bang, right on top of your packaging. That's really cute. And then this is like a shaper pocket. I love doing things like this. I find it as well, it's a good way to like give sequins, because if I wanted to, I could cut that open and use it. I really like the peg as well. That's really cool. Oh, thank you. And then another one of these pocket cards. It's a really good idea to use up those giant cards that you get. I might steal this idea and make some myself because they look really cute. I think I like them. Thank you. And then next, ooh, it's another hidden bag. We're gonna keep the hidden bag and we'll look at it last. Oh, this is cool. I have those sequins. But she's tied it on so that it's not actually stuck, so I could take them both off. That's a really cool idea. I like that. And then, oh my gosh, she has gifted me some bows. I know how hard these can be to make. These look so pretty. Oh, I'm putting these on a bag topper for sure. And this one, and then this one, and then this one, and this one. I love this paper. I think it's really pretty. And then this one. I like how it's kind of goes in. It'd be awesome if you could have like positioned it like that. Okay, and let's look at the last thing. They feel like little glass jars. And I love this little paper clip and the doily, so I'll reuse those too. That's right, these some glass jars. She's gifted me some sequins. So she's gifted me these like iridescent blue ones, and then these hexagonal ones. I actually have these hexagonal ones, and these really nice black ones that kind of have that holographic on it. They're really pretty. And these really big pink ones, which would look really cute with this, like these two. I guess the gold as well. How good does that look? So nice. So thank you so much for sending me this awesome package. I have loved everything in it, and I can't wait to start making with this new surfboard collection that you sent me. It's so pretty. If you haven't checked out the video of what I sent to her, I will link it down below as well for you to check out. And if you want to see more Happy Mail unboxings or support my channel, it'd be very much appreciated if you leave a like on the video and you also subscribed. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!